Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be learning how to make a multi-purpose liquid soap, and also I'll be sharing tips with you on how to make your own liquid soap transparent just like that of Morning Fresh. Also later on in this video I'll be sharing with you on how to make a hand wash, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So here are my ingredients. The first one is natural salt. This serves as a base to your soap ingredient. It serves as a base. It also serves as a thickener at one point or the other. The next ingredient, which is number 2, is caustic soda. Moreover, these ingredients are arranged in their order of mixture. It is arranged in their order of mixture to make it easy. This caustic soda is a stain remover. It serves as stain remover. The next one is Texapur and sulfonic acid. You mix them together. This sulfonic acid and Texapur, they serve as foaming ingredient. They make your soap to foam well when you use the right proportion. The number 4 ingredient will be our soda ash. It is a thickener and also a stain remover, most especially on your white clothes. It removes stain. Our number 5 ingredient that we'll be using, it is STPP, or I sometimes call it salt. It serves as a thickener as well. Number 6 is rice. It looks like grains of rice. It serves as a foam booster. It makes your soap to foam well. And number 7, just as the name implies, it is called booster. It helps to boost your soap. It makes it foam properly. Then we have our color. I would like to use a powder color. I'll show you how to mix it, followed by our fragrance. We have different types of fragrance. We have lemon, we have orange, we have apple, we have different types. Then our preservatives to make your soap last longer. So the first ingredient here is the natural soap. It looks like milk. It is just like milk. It is very, very easy to identify. Followed by the caustic soda. And the next one we have will be our Texapur and our sulfonic acid. You mix them together. This looks like Vaseline, while the sulfonic acid looks like honey. It looks so much like honey. So you mix the sulfonic acid and the Texapur. You mix them together before pouring it into the soap. This is soda ash. It looks like detergent. It looks so much like detergent, the texture and all of that. This is STPP, or salt. It looks like salt. The texture is like that of salt. And the next one we have is rice. It looks so much like rice, just like basmati rice. When you buy it, you will feel the texture. Then the next one is color. I would like to use color pink. You can use any color of your choice. You can use blue, you can use green. So we've started now. I have my water. The first thing I'll be pouring is the natural salt. Can you see? It looks so much like pink, and I'm pouring my natural salt directly into the water. I pour my natural salt directly into the water. The quantity of my water is like 10 liters. 10 liters or 20 liters, depending on the quantity you want to buy. Then this is my caustic soda. I poured it into a bowl first. After that, I poured water to mix it into this small container first of all. After pouring it into the bowl first, then I mixed it with water, as you can see, with a stick. Don't use your bare hand. This is chemical and it is dangerous, please. I'm using a stick to turn it, to stir it. Then I pour it into my mixture, the already made mixture I have. Can you see? This caustic soda serves as a stain remover. It removes stains from our clothes, from our ties, from whatsoever you use it for, from our dishes. It serves as stain remover. Can you see that I've poured it into my mixture, the mixture of water? Then the third one will be the Texapur and the sulfonic acid. This Texapur and the sulfonic acid, they are foaming agents. They are what? Foaming agent, the Texapur and the sulfonic acid. You mix the sulfonic acid with the Texapur in order to avoid lumps in your soap. Mix it in a smaller container first with the sulfonic acid. Blend them properly. As you can see, blend them properly. Mix it. This sulfonic acid is also a foaming agent. It makes our soap to foam well, as well as the Texapur. It's very easy, guys. Can you see? You mix them properly inside a small separate bowl first. After mixing them properly, then you can what? Pour it into the mixture we have on ground, into the bigger bowl. You can pour it into the bigger bowl. As you can see now that I'm pouring it into the bigger mixture. By doing that, it will mix and blend very well, guys. As you can see, it will mix and blend very well. That is our third. Then the next one is the soda ash. We have our soda ash. This one looks like detergent. The texture is just like a detergent. It's a thickener. This serves as a thickener to our soap. Some use a lot of soda ash, some just use minimum. So it depends on your choice. It serves as a thickener to our soap. You mix it inside a small container first. Don't pour it directly into the bath. It will cause lumps. Can you see my own? I poured it into a small container first and I mixed it. I didn't use my hand to mix it. Guys, don't use your hand though, I beg you. You mix it with a stick, as you can see. Then you pour it into the mixture. Once I pour it, you will see the effects. The soap will get thick immediately. It serves as a thickener and it also serves as a stain remover. It serves as a thickener. It also serves as a stain remover. It is just like our detergent that we use in the house. Can you see? Then I poured it into the mixture. By doing this, there will be no lump in the soap, in the liquid soap. Can you see? Can you see, guys? You mix it thoroughly. You mix it very well. You mix it very, very well to avoid any form of lump. You mix it thoroughly. Then we move to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is salt or STPP. This one looks just like salt. It looks just like salt. Pour it into your bowl again and add some water. Mix thoroughly before pouring into the larger mixture. It's so easy. If you follow this method, guys, you will not even have any lump in your soap. No lump. It will come out so smooth. It will foam well and it will be good. It will be good too, because if there is lump in your soap, it won't be appealing to the eye. But if you follow this method, it will be so easy. After mixing it here, then I pour it into my mixture. As you can see, I'm pouring it into the mixture. Pretty easy, guys. It is very, very, very easy. The next one we'll be pouring now will be rice. That just looks like grains. It looks like grain. So you also pour that one into a small bowl. Then you pour it into the mixture. After that, we have our color. You can use any color of your choice. The color also comes in powdery form. Pour it into a container as well. Mix it with water first. The color. Then you pour it into your soap. After that, we have our fragrance. You can use orange fragrance, mango, lemon, any type of fragrance. Pour it into your soap, quantity by quantity. Then after that, we have our preservative. We can use citric acid for your preservative. You can use salt, industrial salt. When you get to a chemical shop, tell them you need industrial salt. They will show you. And some people use formalin. But I would prefer citric acid for you as a beginner, because citric acid, there is no overdose for it. As a beginner, there is no, but for formalin, if you use overdose for formalin, your soap will become so watery. When the soap settles down, it will become very watery if you use too much of formalin. So as a beginner, I would advise you use citric acid, just a little quantity, and you put your fragrance and your soap is ready. Can you see the color? I poured small first of all. I mix it. The color has already been mixed inside the bottle. It was a powdery color. It was a powder color. I mixed it with water first to avoid lumps. Now I poured it into the soap. Can you see the soap? Glittering. If you like, you can put glycerin if you want to make hand wash. The only difference between this and hand wash is just maybe putting glycerin. It will make it sparkle just like Morning Fresh. And if you want to make transparent soap, you will put a lot of Texaco. You put a lot of Texaco and sulfonic acid. Guys, look at the end result of the soap. Can you see it? This is the soap that I just made. So if you learned one or two things, please kindly subscribe. I will be showing us videos on how to produce a lot of things like paint. I also make paint, emulsion paint, text coat, satin paint, hair cream, body spray, lip balm. To produce any of these things, kindly comment and let me know which one you want me to produce first. And I hope you've learned something. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.